Okay, I'm just turning the drone on. I'm gonna wait for it to get set up, and I'm gonna turn the sky controller on. And when I do, it's gonna say motor stage broken, and it won't take off. I'm not sure why, but now that it's solid, I'm gonna turn the sky controller on, and then wait for that. Here's the device I'm using. It's a Motorola Z2. Okay, now that it's almost hooked up, give it one more second. Okay, connected. I'm going to calibrate it because I just reset it. Okay, now as you can see, motor stage broken. I've reset it. I reset the drone. I reset the sky controller. I've done everything that you can do, and it will not go away. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but that's what's going on. It won't take off. So, thank you.